Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name's Shequita, and if you're new to my channel, hey! Hopefully by the end of this video you will have felt the need to subscribe and click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload. If you can tell by the title, today we will be doing a get ready with me OOT of the day, makeup, outfit. So if you love videos like that, like I do, then stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay you guys, so we are going to get right into this video. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, concealed them, and I have my primer sitting on my face, which if you guys have been watching my last recent tutorials, it is the NYX Matte Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, matte primer. So the next step for me to do is to go ahead and prime my eyelids, and for that I am using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. It's a white primer that I got. Where did I get it from? Oh, Ulta. And this primer is really not all that expensive at all. I would say I spent about no more than $8 on it. And it really is going to last you a long time because it's just for your eyelids. You know, you got but so much eye space, you know. You shouldn't be using a lot. I'm going to put it that way. But if you do, that's your business. So what I am going to do is I have some on my brush, and I just have a little handy dandy mirror here, and I am just going to go ahead and start priming my eyelid. And this is just really supposed to be like a nice little Valentine, really just, I would just say a date night look. I wouldn't say it's like designated for just specifically Valentine's Day. I feel like, you know, you can do this at any time, really, like, because let's be honest, that was like my top, and it was like spin, 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 zoom, zoom. But so the first palette that I'm gonna reach for is a palette that I have not reached for in a while, and this is the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and this is how it looks. Very beat up, and as you can see, I love that yellow. But yeah, I wanted to start off with like one of these shades into the crease, and then because I'm thinking about doing kind of like a basic smoky glittery eye, so yeah, that's what we doing. Now I'm going to start with this orangey shade, and for that I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics, and it's my Ray Ray number 6 brush, and it's like a perfect brush dedicated for the crease. So I'm just going to tap into that, and then we are going to pack it on and then blend it out, okay?
War is a 4-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt.
Okay, so that looks real good. So next I am going to go into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I am going to play with the shade Stone. I'm going to see how that looks if I pack it right up under the orange. Not bad. You can see it a little bit, but not quite. But I'm going to pack it on to see what happened. I'm just going to use the Chocolates palette by Juvia, and I'm going to grab that top left dark brown in the palette. They don't have any names, but I'm just going to pack that right here on the outer portion of my eye. And it's up to you how much you pack on, because some people like that nice sheared it out look. And then some people like for you to see like every shade that they put on their eyes. So it's really up to you whatever type of look that you're looking for. Because I am of a darker complexion, I like for you to like really see the colors that I am putting on my eye. Okay, so next for the actual lid color, I am going to use this nice little shade right here in the middle.
Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this.
Then this beautiful little shade right here, I am going to blend that right between that brown and that light shade. You see how you get like that nice blend? And if you really want a nice blend, use the Morphe M506 brush, which is very small. And I'm just going to use that to kind of like blend that lighter shade into that second shade. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go off camera, do this second eye, and put on my liner and lashes, and we'll be right back. For foundation, I am going to use two today. I really love this combo that I did the other day when I went out with my honey bun, and I wanted to do it on camera also. Now, where's my top? It is what it is. This is the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage, and I am using the shade Filter Deep 37. This is Filter Deep 37, and it has like a red undertone. And then for the center of my face, I'm just going to use this MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 broad spectrum SPF 15. Why did they put that twice? The Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and this is in the shade NW47. So I'm going to put this in the center part of my face, and then I'm going to put this on the outer, and I really did like these two combos together. Absolutely fire. This is not like a review or anything because I've technically already used it. If you follow me on Instagram, that was actually my first time using that foundation, so make sure you check it out. All links will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to start with the MAC foundation, and I'm just going to put like a little bit on the back of my hand, and I don't want to use too much starting out. Like I told you guys on my makeup for beginners, if you haven't seen it, the cards will appear. I like to start off with a little bit of foundation because if you watched my makeup for a beginner, if not, it'll be in the cards above me popping up in black and white. I like to start off with a little bit and then add more as needed, because once you put all that on your face, you gotta work twice as hard to take it off. So we're not doing that today. So I'm just going to use this Real Techniques, what is this? Real Techniques Square Foundation Brush. And I'm just going to use this to put the product exactly where I need it to go. Just basically at the center parts of my face, just like that. And then, you know, you just add more as you need it, you know. So I'm just going to use this e.l.f. sponge. I forgot the actual name of it. But I'm just going to use that to blend that out. And I just honestly loved the way it had my makeup looking like, especially in person. Face to face, it just had it looking so pretty and flawless. I mean, because you know MAC is bomb on its own, but when I paired it with the Morphe foundation, it was just a total vibe. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little bit more to the center of my face, and then we're going to proceed with the Morphe foundation next. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Morphe foundation. I'm going to start off with one pump, and then I'm going to use that same Real Techniques brush to apply where I need it, and then with the elf sponge to blend it out. And I don't really like to put too much product on my forehead anymore, only because I don't like for my hairline to get like real dirty, because I've been wearing braids here often. So I don't want my front, me to have to wash the product out and then my braids start looking real old in the front and then fresh in the back. So yeah, I like to put as little product as possible, and I am just going in and with my beauty sponge, I am just blending that all out. For concealer, I am going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Rich Chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead on and add color back into my skin because I look real pale right now. So for that, I'm going to use the Revolution Makeup Foundation Stick, and I am in the shade F18.
You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, down. I lost the game that I couldn't play. The memory card and got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah. 'Cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, down. Soulless man, do you feel it? Down. Love hurts more when you're in it. No, gravity at its limit. Do you feel? Do you feel? Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. 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 I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, right, oh, 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 Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have.
So this is the outfit that I chose to go with for date night. This nice little one-piece romper. It's a harem romper that comes from Fashion Nova. The jacket is Burlington. The purse, the clear purse and the clear shoes both come from Amazon. And the heel is just clear and the strap is clear and it has like some gold details, and the purse has gold details with the chain. I chose to pair it with this nice layered necklace and some hoops. You can't go wrong. And my long waist length braid. So I thought this is really cute, very feminine, very sexy, but still comfortable. And you know, you still look date night appropriate. So, and I'll try to make sure that I link as much of the things that I have on in the description box below.
Are you the same?